Got a time warp for everyone here today. Beautiful 1970s Hino RC320. So Hino RC320P, owned by Haidley's Panoramic coaches out of Warwick in Queensland. Let's put these on. This one is original. As original as can be. Even down to the wonderful interior. Trippy green, lime green interior. We climb up inside, you'll notice the driver's seat. This is the inside of the RC320. And this is a freighter body, not a... If you know a freighter, you know they do trailers today. Looking at the instrument panel. So this is the first. That's it. Thanks, guys.